Hey guys. So, I apologize for the hoodie. I'm just having like a fat day and having breakouts with my psoriasis. Anyway, I just watched the movie called Panic Button. It's actually been on my to watch list for like a couple years and I completely forgot about it. And it actually popped up on Amazon Prime. So I was like, ooh, awesome. So it's one of those basically a single location type films, which I tend to like. It's about these four young people in their like late 20s, early 30s, I'd say. They sign up with this social media company to be flown on an expensive jet to a location, and all they have to do is sit there amongst themselves, drink champagne, and play this game on a computer screen in front of them. And it basically goes from contestant to contestant, asking them if this information on the screen is accurate, have they ever done this or that, and whatnot. And the more the contestants start to play, they realize that this company has a lot of information on them, and there's a reason they were assembled in this fake contest. So you kind of have shades of Cube in a way, those type of movies. And because they're stuck on a plane, there's really enormous stakes. Uh, so right off the bat, this is a British film, British cast. It's it's an independent movie, but it has a pretty decent budget. Like I said, most of the action takes place with them sitting on the plane playing the contest. And the more I watched it, the more I realized it was actually similar to a semi recent Blumhouse production, but I don't want to spoil it. But I was like, Panic Button came out in 2011, and the Blumhouse movie came out in 2014. So I just thought that was interesting. I was like, huh. So if you've watched the movie from Blumhouse, you'll recognize the plot straight away. So I just thought that was interesting. I thought the movie got better as it went along. When the stakes were raised higher and higher, and the characters got more emotional and scared. And there were a few twists and turns that I didn't really see coming. Um, I kind of wish it had a little bit of a bigger budget to go the extra mile, but for what it was, like, I thought it was entertaining. It's the type of movie I would watch like around Halloween or New Year's Eve. It, like I said, it has that kind of Cube or Saw light vibe. Strangers gathered in a location and they have to play some kind of game or contest to try to survive. So I've always been a sucker for those type of movies for a long time. So I was really happy to find it on Amazon Prime because I completely forgot about it and it just popped up there one day. Um, so bear in mind, it's an independent movie. It's still shot pretty decently. It does take place mostly on a plane. So most of the action is a bit claustrophobic and confined. If that's your type of movie, if that's your cup of tea, I think you might like it. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this little off the cuff review. and hopefully I'll record something very soon. And hopefully my skin looks a bit better. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.